Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to NYC Moto Life. We're gonna work on this beautiful 2024 zx10r, and we are going to do a first oil change. Dealer recommendation is oil change after 600 mile, the braking periods, but I don't know. Some I did my previous bike MT10 at 300, then 600, just in case the engine running clean and smooth. So I'm gonna do the oil change on this bike at 321. I should have done it at 300 mile, but I went a little over, which is not bad. It's okay. So before we start the oil change, let's start the bike so it can get warmed up. So guys, after warming up the bike, there is a oil pan bolt is here and filter is right there. So I don't think so we're gonna have to lose any fairings or anything. And this bolt is gonna take 17 mm socket. So let's undo it and we begin from there. So after breaking it loose, be very careful because we warm up the bike and the oil is hot. So we're gonna remove this bolt and take it out from the oil. Don't drop it in there like I did. The oil looks disgusting for 300 mile. Wow, I did not expect oil like that. And I see a little bit shiny shavings in there, but nothing is major, which is good. So the next thing is we have to lose the filter. I don't have the filter wrench and I'm gonna use this one. Hopefully it works. So let's do that. So we break and lose the filter. Let's open it and let the oil come out. Just like that. So guys, always remember, you see this rubber gasket around the filter, make sure it came off when you remove the filter. If it doesn't come out, look where you put the filter, right there. Otherwise, if you put the second filter on it, you have 100% chance you're gonna leak the filter. So guys, today the filter we're gonna use is high flow HF303. I'm gonna take the filter out, and everybody's saying it's good to lube the gasket before you put it on, which is already pre-lubed, looks like it, but just in case, you know. So the filter, I'm just gonna hand tight it. So after we hand tight the filter, wipe it down, and now we're gonna move on to the drain bolt. So this is the drain bolt. I'm just gonna hold it and go right in there. Give a little wipe to the pan at the bottom. and snug it, not too tight but a little bit. That's it. So now we're gonna fill up the oil on the other side. We're using today is 10W40 fully synthetic Kawasaki oil, and we bought it 4 quarts. I'm gonna put 3.5 and I'm gonna run the bike, and from there I'm gonna check the level, and after checking the level we'll proceed from there. If we need it we'll add more, if not, you know, we're not gonna add it. But according to Kawasaki, the manual is gonna take 4 quarts, but it's always depends the location of the bike. If the complete oil comes out, drains out, then it's 4 quarts. And if your bike is in that kind of condition where your oil stays inside even a little, that's gonna run you overflow. So it's always good to run your bike and check the level. So let's begin. So for that we need a nice and clean funnel. So guys, we already put 2 quarts in there, and this is the third one going in there. So this is the fourth one. I'm gonna put it in half. I'm gonna hold on to it and I'm gonna run the bike. As you guys can see, I put it half right there, and after that we're gonna close the cap and I'm gonna run the bike and I'm gonna check the oil level window, and then I'm gonna continue from there. I'll show you guys once I'm done. So putting fresh oil in there, we're gonna run the bike for maybe a minute or maybe 30 seconds. I think 30 seconds should be fine, but somewhere from 30 seconds to a minute. This should be good. Now we're gonna let the oil settle and we're gonna check the level. So guys, with my wife's help, she's helping me to keep the bike straight since I don't have the spools and rear stand. I'm checking at the oil level. As you guys can see, it's right in the middle. I'm gonna add a little bit more, but in my case I don't think so. I'm gonna put the whole 4 quarts in there because that's gonna make it full, and over when it's too much oil in there, I don't think so it's a good idea. So guys, if you like my video, please hit a like. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more beautiful videos coming on this 2024 zx10r. And the tools are required for this job is the ratchet wrench, 17mm socket, and the oil filter, and the sharp towel, and definitely the drain pan. Don't forget that one, that's the main part. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. So guys, this is my final where I'm gonna keep my oil level. So definitely I did not able to put it 4 quarts in there. It was this much left at 200 ml, or the 8 ounces of the 4 quarts. So guys, I'll suggest you guys to keep an eye on the oil level after first ride. If it drops, you know, you always have oil at home, so you can add it, but at this point I'm gonna keep it this much.